mastering Binance portfolio tracking, tools, dashboards, and pro tips. Are you still guessing how your crypto portfolio is performing? What if you could track everything, from gains to losses, in one clean dashboard? In this video, we'll show you how to manage your entire crypto portfolio like a pro, right from your Binance account, plus powerful tools you can plug in. Let's start with the Binance dashboard. Go to Wallet Overview. This is your command center. Here, you'll see your total estimated balance, your asset allocation, and a quick snapshot of recent activity. You can also view all your wallet types in one place: spot, funding, earn, margin, and futures. Each wallet serves a specific purpose. Spot wallet, your main trading balance. Funding wallet, for P2P and Binance Pay. Earn wallet, for staking, savings, and rewards. Click into each one to see the assets stored there, their current value, and historical movements. Now let's analyze your gains and losses. Under the Spot wallet, click P&L Analysis. Here, you can view your portfolio performance over time based on realized and unrealized profit. You can sort by time period, assets, and even view breakdowns by specific coins. If you're using Auto Invest to DCA into Bitcoin or altcoins, you can track how that strategy is performing over time. The Auto Invest dashboard shows how many tokens you've accumulated, your average buy price, and ROI. Binance also separates assets that are staked, locked in launch pool, or flexible savings. To view those, head to Wallet, Earn. This section shows your locked balances, estimated APYs, and total earnings from passive income products. While Binance's tools are great, some users prefer third-party dashboards like CoinStats for cross-exchange tracking and tax reports. DappRadar, especially useful if you're using DeFi protocols. These tools give you a full picture when you connect your Binance account via API. To connect third-party tools, go to API Management in your account settings. Create a label, generate the key, and set IP restrictions if needed. Make sure you never enable withdrawal rights. Only read-only access should be granted for portfolio tracking. To manage your portfolio smartly, diversify across assets and categories. Use alerts for price movements and allocations. Rebalance periodically, especially after major rallies or dips, and always track your ROI to guide future decisions. So whether you're a long-term hodler or an active trader, Binance's built-in tools and external dashboards help you stay on top of your portfolio. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe to Cash and Coffee for more crypto insights, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite portfolio tool?